Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been getting lots of requests to do more hair tutorials this year, and so I thought, when's the last time I did one? I can't even think. I'm gonna show you guys how I created these old Hollywood curls. Now, I love how glam this can look for special occasions, events, or maybe you just wanna spice up your straight hair. All right, let's do this. For this look, when I do old Hollywood curls, I just love having a dramatic part to one side. I love how it flows on the face, and it just looks really good. You guys know me, I always like to tuck in one side, which is gonna look really cute when it's curled. And then you're gonna wanna start on the bottom for this. So I just gonna work in sections and just get that hair out of your way. I'm gonna be using my Drybar. Oh, that would not have been cute. This is actually on 450. The product that I used in my hair prior to straightening it did have heat protector in it. I highly suggest heat protection to ensure that you're not damaging your hair. You guys know that I've been doing cheat hair days, so my hair is naturally curly, and I will wear it curly most of the time, as you guys know. But whenever I have my cheat days, I love to obviously have some fun and still be able to style my hair, since I just love switching things up. So because we're working with a medium to large size curling wand, we are going to be able to grab a thicker amount of hair. And so if you're like me and you're a busy mama and you've only got about less than 15 minutes to just do your hair and get going, then you definitely want to get thicker, more pieces of hair, especially if you got thick hair like me. So I'm going to actually come underneath the hair, and you're just gonna wrap the hair like that. Just hold it for a few seconds and just let it be, let it be, let it be. You just gotta let it be, okay? I know you wanna touch it, I know you, like I am right now, but just try to let it be. No brushing it yet. If you have stick straight hair and your hair does not hold curl well, my one advice, run a texture spray over your hair just to give your hair something. You can even use hairspray, like a flexible hold hairspray, to just run it through your hair and brush it through. And that's gonna instantly give your hair a more coarse texture, which makes it so much easier to curl and to style, and for that curl that you're trying to create, for it to hold and last longer. I definitely spray and add product at the very end, but you may need to add the same products prior to styling as well, just to really lock in that look. So the idea is just you want to curl it towards, bring it towards your cheeks, bring it towards your face. Pin this away from my hair real quick. Now we're gonna move on to this side, and I'm gonna just shut my mouth and just fast forward this part. All right, so once you curl your hair all the way through, and obviously we haven't touched it yet, it should look a little something like this. And just grab some of my Oribe texture spray, and this product, I will just give it a good spray over the curls. And then you're gonna very gently, you're not gonna wanna completely, like as if you're brushing your hair when you get out of the shower, all the way through the scalp. You wanna use this brush or comb, whatever you have, very gently, guys. And just to brush everything through, and you're gonna see it start to melt together and start to look more Hollywood. I'll just grab some hairspray. This is my Kerastase. Give it a good spray, just any flyaways, or you can do that at the very end after you brush. Instant romance. Love, love, love this look. It is so easy, so glam. Let me know what you guys thought of this tutorial, and if it's something that you enjoyed and you got this far in the video, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.